Amen. God doesn't want his people being backed up against the wall by the devil. Doesn't want his people being oppressed by Satan.
And he holds it up as high as he can, and he turns so that he makes sure that everyone in the room can see what he's written on the page. And I was like, the judge said, sir, can you put the sign down? Sir, please put the sign down. And what the sign read was, I requested to represent myself. He did not listen to...
Now I'm old and my whole attitude. Now I think
idea is to get everyone in the room discussing some of them, and you were free if there was a question